Welcome to Arhaan's Big World.
Welcome to Arhaan Speak Well. Please subscribe to Arhaan Speak Well on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook and also on Instagram. Hi, Arhaan, look. Oh my God, it's so cute. Arhaan, look. Arhaan. Arhu. Arhu. He looked. He can. Oh, he flew out and then he came back in again. So I know he has to be here. Hi, birdie. We have a visitor.
What?
We have a visitor.
Don't do anything.
Odi, come here and look.
Put down his food.
Bird done his flu.
I think bird is sick.
Chirida, okay? Arhaan, go. Say hi, kiss him. Can you kiss? Odi, look at the bird. Oh, what did you do? Arhaan kicked the bird and now we have no bird. Our guest is gone. If you like our video, please subscribe to Arhaan's Big World for more video. Thank you for subscribing if you already did. See you all in another video. Thank you for supporting.